Uptown Swing, level 1. 8 count, Addie, Peter, 8 count. So here's what we did. We reviewed swing outs and circles, and then we did some new stuff. Promenades, check it. Rock, step, back. It is cool to do. Back, in the face. Remember, that's really, you're trying to do promenade every time, followers. Even on the yo-yo, you're trying to go. And when you try to go, sometimes the leader can catch you. Okay, then we talked about swing outs from open to open. Matt, can you show a little bit what you do with the followers to get that little practice?
Yep, followers, we talked about how we want to be turning to look at our leads, and sometimes that will cause our feet to cross as we turn our shoulders.
Especially on that triple step. So from here, from open position, if we were here, I take my same old shape, step, step, triple step. It's okay if that crosses a little bit. Followers, we talked about going one direction at a time. She's trying to go that way. I'm convincing her to go the other way. And here's what we talked about with you, was this shape, rock, step, triple step. We did that last week. That's the shape you can practice for swing outs, doing something like that anyways. The main thing is to get some feeling at the end of the swing out so that the rock step actually moves your partner. And then to get ready on the next triple step to move your partner on 5. So on the end of the swing out, get ready. 1, I'm moving my partner. So on 1, we move. On 5, we move. On 7, and I get ready. On 3 and 4, I get ready. Get ready, go. Get ready, go. Nothing. Nothing. That's what we fixed. Thanks, Tyler, for coming in the middle. Made it look really good.